In today's video, I am going to teach you how to exclude previous customers on Activecampaign. When you send a promotional email, it is often important to avoid sending it to people who have already purchased. In Activecampaign, the cleanest way to do this is by creating a segment that filters out anyone marked as a customer, either by a tag, by a list membership, or both. I will walk you through creating that segment while you build your campaign, so the right people receive your message. Start by going to the Campaigns area in your Activecampaign account. From there, click Create a Campaign. Choose the campaign type you normally use, and move forward until you reach the list selection screen. This is where you decide who will receive the email. On the list selection screen, look for the option to create a segment, and click it. A segment is a set of rules that narrows down your audience. Here you will define rules that exclude past customers. For the first condition, set the field to tag. Then set the operator to does not exist. Finally, set the value to your customer tag, such as customer, or whatever specific buyer tag you use in your account. This rule removes anyone who already has that tag. A helpful tip is to make sure your purchase process consistently applies this tag. Otherwise, some buyers may not be filtered out. Next, click Add another condition. This time, select Lists for the field and choose Is Not On for the operator. Then select your customer list. This adds a second layer of protection by excluding people who are on your customer list, even if a tag was missed. Make sure you select the correct list name that you use to store confirmed customers. Once both conditions are set, click Done. You will be returned to the list selection screen, where you can now select the segment you just created. Take a moment to review that the segment is applied, so you are targeting non-customers only. From here, continue into the email designer as usual. Build your message, review your settings, and then send your campaign when you are ready. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.